Hi folks, it's good to see you all here on my channel Life Teachings, where you can enjoy the art of learning. And I also welcome you all in today's video, so let's roll into the video. Hey guys, as we all are always excited for IPL, but this year we are very much excited. I guess you all have understood the reason behind this point, because this year IPL is being sponsored by a company that has won all our hearts with its work, and the company is Tata Groups. So basically the question arises in our mind, that is, why Tata Group has taken sponsorship for the IPL? Why the IPL sponsorship has been taken back away from this Chinese company? And what makes the difference between these two? So let's discuss about this in detail. When IPL started in the year 2008, then the sponsorship was led by an Indian company, that is DLF company, for 4 years. And after that, Pepsi and a Chinese mobile company has taken up the sponsorship. So why did any Indian company hadn't stepped forward to take the sponsorship? Do we don't have any big companies in our country that can sponsorship for this valuable sporting event? Because in India, IPL is not a game, it's a festival that is being celebrated from many years. Because a small child can also say what is IPL for India and its fans. In just 13 years, IPL franchise cost has increased about 17 times. As you all know that in this year, BCCI had also introduced two new teams, that is Gujarat Titans and Lucknow Super Giants. And BCCI had got a profit of 12.7 thousand crores by introducing these two teams only. IPL has global revenue nearly 40%, and now IPL has become a brand costing nearly 50,000 crores, and in coming years BCCI is planning to double its brand value, that is nearly 1 lakh crore. But a Chinese company brand is getting more benefited with this process, because whenever any company takes up IPL sponsorship, then we can see in media channels that the company name comes first, and after that IPL title comes back. IPL being an Indian league, a Chinese company name comes first, like Vivo IPL. We never call it IPL Vivo, do we? No, we don't. Don't you feel that we need to change this? Vivo was paying 440 crores every year for this sponsorship. But guys, this money had not become waste for Vivo company, as it has generated a good amount of revenue in India by selling their company phones. And in this process, the smartphone market of the company has grown rapidly and successfully and become the number 3rd brand in India. It has happened all due to the sponsorship of IPL taken by it in India. It had become a positive aspect for the company. In general, Vivo contract was expiring after this season, but Vivo gave more money and terminated its contract of IPL sponsorship. The reason behind this huge decision is that Galwan Valley attack or clashes. As in the year 2020, India and China had clashes at that time. Due to this, both BCCI and Vivo had faced huge losses. But as of now, we can see that Indian smartphone market is being dominated by these Chinese company phones, and we can't do anything. But the question rises in our mind is that, can't we reduce the dependency on Chinese phone or Chinese company material? Because as in recent time, we are being a witness of Russia-Ukraine war. As of now in Russia, many branded companies had been gone out of Russia. So if the same situation comes to India, then what we are going to do? As we are mostly dependent on these Chinese company phones, so that at that time we are in a situation that we will not able to use these smartphones easily. But this can't happen. So from now onwards, we need to have a backup plan to face this situation. So to avoid this, we need to follow the ideology of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So as IPL is an Indian brand, we should not give the rights to the Chinese company. So due to this reason, Tata bought the rights for IPL from BCCI. As Tata is called as salt to software company, means it has explored each and every field. Tata is not only a brand, but it has been one of the pillars for the growth of India. It can be the first luxurious hotel, or it may be the India's first airline, or it can also be the India's highest selling electric vehicle, and at last it can be the India's cheapest car, Nano. So this hand in sponsorship will make a good business for the country as well as for the company. Now Tata company had entered in each and every field. Tata is having $103 billion value of its company. Tata companies are almost handling each and every field in its own way and its own process. This will help the Tata company to develop its business and also connect to more people, so they can help in developing for the country benefits and also for the company benefits. That's the main point we need to understand here. So guys, this was the first part of the story. The second part is coming now. Let's have a watch. When the 100-plus-year-old group was moving towards the launch for its super app Tata Neu, the IPL is easily and most attractive sports property for advertisers and sponsors, with 400 billion total viewing minutes in 2020 and 10 billion in the first match of 2021. This means a lot of Tata Neu, an app that will consolidate all the Tata's customer-facing business such as Big Basket, 1MG, Tata, C-Lick, Chroma, Westside and many more. The IPL has considerable success in increasing the brand recall for many sponsors. Tata is gearing up to challenge the many other companies like Amazon, Reliance, and the IPL will provide its a boost to compete with other companies like these Amazon, Reliance, Flipkart and many more. And this will also be a competitor for the PhonePe and other UPI payments apps too. Tata Group has done many things, not only for monetary purpose, but only for people's sake, like helping people in COVID situation by donating or helping the victims of Taj Hotel. So now Tata will be sponsoring the IPL for next 2 years. This will be reminding us of building a new India. So now we need to rely on ourselves, and this process can't happen at once. But by step we can achieve this, the dream of Atmanirbhar Bharat. So guys, that's the topic for today. I think you all have enjoyed the content. So please like, share, subscribe for the channel to updating yourself with such more content in the future. So guys, thank you and have a nice day. And also, please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys and have a nice day.